Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC) will soon be implementing the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Establishment, Management and Control of Markets Second Amendment Regulation Act 2021, which is an amendment to the existing Khasi Hills District Establishment, Management and Control of Markets Regulation 1979 as the principal regulation. The amendment that was proposed by the Executive Committee of the Council on the 2nd of March 2021 had received approval from the Governor of Meghalaya, Phagu Chauhan, on the 26th of July 2023 and included in the Gazette of Meghalaya Extraordinary on the 8th of August 2023. Speaking to reporters today, the executive member in charge of the Market Department of the KHADC, Grace M. Kharpuri, informed that the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Establishment, Management and Control of Markets Second Amendment Regulation Act 2021 will not only regulate marketing activities but will greatly benefit agricultural, horticultural and livestock farmers who had all this while been suffering due to discrepancies in market activities. Kharpuri added that apart from the Executive Committee, the existing Market Managing Committee would have to constitute a subcommittee or the Market Felicitation Committee, comprising of farmers and merchants to further improve and enhance regulation and control of markets under the jurisdiction of the KHADC.
Ulat kecela, ula ay kajing menjur, ya kenika amendment bill jong ka Market Act. Kabangi lapas hapo ka house hau arajar arpuwe bat bangi dangyo ay kajing menjur kadeha ka khat platarik jong mo kajing menjur kade 26 jong ubnai July ti nakaliang ka jong ka department bat ngakum ka iya men charge jong ka market nga dap da kajing kemen namar ba kani ka amendment act abang no amendment act kam de shu kabil kalong kabakong san bha kabanyarap na benta ki nongrem kumbapi layu i na kapor sha kapor ki nongrep ki jongi ki ut ki nam habede bat ki marrep ki jongki haka jingsha khnyot ben ya kador haka jingsha khnyot ben khamtam e kine kani ka jingot kilo dia kani ka act kani rap shishay kinong rap haba yadi mo hayo hat haba yadi yathet yaki marrap ringkat bat ya ki jingri jingdo kamli tang ki marrap kani ka act ka kren ru ya ki jingri te kani kalong ka main objective jong kani ka amendment act te bat ka benda jong kani ka amendment act ru kalong ba Baman kiyo, haman kiyo kinong penyat mo kum kini ki Market Managing Committee. Kide banbu kerpang ya kini ka Farmers Consumer Market Area. Na benta ka jingya di ya thiet ya ki marrep bat ya kini ki jingri ki livestock begitu mo. Dia kini rap shibun ba. But haman kiyo ru kindon kini ki subcommittee. Bagi khot kataka Marketing Felicitation Committee. Ka Market Managing Committee can constitute ya kini ki subcommittee but hakani ka subcommittee kinlong de khot ru kindai kinong die mot kinong rep but kini ki mahajan te but ka Market Managing Committee can constitute ya kani ka committee but hadien bakiladap constitute ya kani ka committee pan kinyo ya kajing menjur na ka executive committee kabanyarap ya kinong rep kani ka amendment act kadi halor kador baha kani ka act kala krenshai ba ka district council ka executive committee kala banbo ya kani ka ya ki rates minimum support price kani ka banyarap shibun ya kinong rep